Playtime Pops. Hey guys, welcome back to Playtime Pops. Today we are learning different ocean life creatures. How many will you recognize? Do you know who I am? I am a shark. Do you recognize me? I am an octopus. What kind of ocean creature am I? I am a jellyfish. Do you recognize this ocean creature? I am a seal. Do you know who I am? I am a whale. Do you recognize me? I am a squid. What kind of ocean creature am I? I am a crab. Do you recognize this ocean creature? I am a sea turtle. Do you know who I am? I am a starfish. Do you recognize me? I am a seahorse. What kind of ocean creature am I? I am a coral reef. Do you recognize this ocean creature? I am a manta ray. Do you know who I am? I am a lobster. Do you recognize me? I am a dolphin. What kind of ocean creature am I? I am a barnacle. Do you recognize this ocean creature? I am saltwater fish. Do you know who I am? I am a sea lion. Do you recognize me? I am an eel. What kind of ocean creature am I? I am a tuna fish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Playtime Pops for more videos like this. See you on the next video.